अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 14. On a morning walk, 3 persons step together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? Okay, let's start. So the minimum distance they need to walk is LCM of the three values 40, 42 and 45. 40 if you factorize you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 42, 2 into 3 into 7 and 45, 3 into 3 into 5. So we have to take highest power of the factor. Okay, so we'll take 2 cube, so 2 into 2 into 2, 3 square, so 3 into 3 and 7 and 5. So that will give you finally 2520. Therefore, the minimum distance they need to cover is 2520 centimeter. That's it.